Hotel review. We are at the Icon 36 Hotel in Hanoi, Old Quarter. I got this room for $11 a night on Agoda. Pretty good place, cut and dried. Just pretty simple. Got a hot water pot, some tea making stuff, phone, which I don't use. Not much of a view, but whatever. I'm not here for the view. No safe in this room, but my friend who paid the exact same price has a safe. Fridge. You got some Red Bull, you got a Coke, a couple HANOI beers, some water. If you drink that, you'll be charged upon checkout. Check out the bathroom. Nice rain shower head. Hot water works great. Toilet. Mirror, hello. Hair dryer. Some toothbrushes and Q-tips and soaps and stuff. Fresh towels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. They have breakfast in the morning. And yeah, that's just about it. So check it out. Icon 36 Hotel, Hanoi, Old Quarter, $11 a night on Agoda, plus or minus a few dollars depending on which app you choose to book the room through. Have a lovely day.